Hello guys, what is up today? We're back with Mr. Frogger Boy. No internet, bye-bye.
Guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel, Unicorn Candy.
Peace. Alrighty. First airplane we're gonna be doing is called Needle Nose. I'm pretty sure if you've watched all my videos, you've heard all these paper airplane names before, so I am sorry for torturing you.
They're fine with it. They can handle the pain.
The names. Needle Nose is a cool name.
But they're tired of it.
Alrighty, 3, 2, 1. Where did it go? Oh, I found it.
But I'm going to say, I'm sorry you guys can't see it because it's on private. I have to send it to you, but I'll send it to Andrew.
Alrighty. This is my, my dragon. First dragon. All done, babies. Ah! Sky Skimmer. This baby's probably going to do a much more smooth flight than the Needle Nose because that's what's happened in the past two things. I think the trajectory of them are much different because this one is much smaller and the tip is not needle-like.
It's almost at 20 minutes long. I'm so sorry right now.
Much more long and smooth flight. I'm going to go get it really quick.
So guys, I think I'm going to do the rainbow. Or the pizza. Jackson, rainbow or pizza?
Pizza.
Pizza it is.
Alrighty. This is the paper airplane. Cool dragons fighting. Dragon on this side. Cool dragon on this side. Cool dragon on this side.
Jackson, for Christmas, I think I got something that you could use videos with.
Oh! Wind Rider. The last two times this one sort of just drifted down. On the instruction manual, I found that if you throw it straight up, it'll just come down sort of more slowly. That's why it's called a Wind Rider. So I'm gonna try it. That looked so cool. It was super smooth. Okay, I'm gonna go get it.
What color should I make the crust, Jackson?
The what?
The crust. You never know. Yellow. No, but that's the cheese. And there's these two. Purple. The crust is purple?
Yep. Alrighty, this one, it's a cool Hydra snake thingy. I mean dragon.
Before, I'm going to add some burnt parts. Like some burnt edges.
The last two times this spiraled down, this one is the Razor Wing. It's supposed to go pretty fast.
So this pink pizza is like burnt, and guys, I might film this video while
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh. It went nowhere.
Jackson, are you hungry?
No.
Guys, I'm going to make a video of me eating.
Why?
A YouTube short of me making food.
My breakfast.
Hey, you're ruining my content. Stop.
Okay. This one looks pretty cool. It's a metal-like dragon. Alrighty, bye guys. Make sure to subscribe to Mr. Frogger Boy and Unicorn Candy. Alrighty. That's it for today. Peace out.
Subscribe to his channel.